Welcome to all in SV Union High School and Junior College, presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav. Student, in this part of lesson fractions, we are going to study a fraction of a collection and a multiple of a fraction. Let's see few examples. 1 upon 4 of a collection of 20 dots. It means these 20 dots we have to convert in 4 parts, or these 20 dots will make 4 parts. So 5 4s are 20. Yes, so we'll make like this 5 dots. These are 5 dots. Now 1 2 3 4 5. So these are 10 dots. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright? So 1 upon 4. This is 1 upon 4. You know, one chapati, complete chapati. Sometimes you don't want full chapati. Then you ask half chapati. Then what your mother does? Suppose this is the chapati. One chapati. You don't want full chapati. Then you say I want half chapati. Then your mother breaks it 2 parts. So this is half half. Then sometimes you say I want only quarter chapati. Then what your mother does? She again breaks in 4 parts. So this one part is 1 upon 4 part of a complete chapati. Same way here 20 dots. Out of that 1/4 part means only one part will come, isn't it? Is that clear? Okay, so 1 upon 4 of 20 dots. 20 dots means what to do? 20 divided by 4. This 20 divided by 4. We have to say the table of 4 till 20. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Isn't it? That is why in one group we got 5 dots. Is it clear, children? So this is a fraction of a collection. Students, we'll study one more example. Half of a collection of 20 dots. As I gave you example of chapati. Full chapati, if you want half chapati, then your mother breaks in 2 parts. Same way we have to find out collection of 20 dots and we'll divide it into half. Of course, we'll make here some dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 dots. Alright? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright? So let's write here half of 20. Half of 20 means what? This is equals to 20 divided by 2. So it comes 10. Alright? So this is how we can find out a fraction of a given collection. Student, let us start solving problem set 23. In this, question 1 is given what is 1 upon 3 of each of the collection given below. In this first example or first collection is given 15 pencils. So, how to write 1 upon 3 of 15? It means what to do? 1 upon 3. Instead of word, we have to multiply. We have to use the symbol of multiplication. 1 upon 3 into 15. This is equals to 15 upon 3. That is 15 divided by 3. 15 upon 3 means 15 divided by 3, which is equals to, we have to say the table of 3 till 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So what is our answer? 5. So what is the answer of 1 upon 3 of 15 is 5 pencils. Alright. Now let us see second example. In this collection is given of 21 balloons. Let's see its answer. 1 upon 3 of 21. As I said, in place of word, we have to use sign of multiplication. Multiply 21, which is equals to 21 upon 3. Means 21 divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18 and 3 7s are 21. So what is the 1/3 of 21 balloons? Is 7 balloons. Okay, so this is your answer. Alright. Let's solve third example. 9 children. Collection is of 9 children. So we have to find out 1/3 of 9. As I told you, it will be 1 upon 3 into 9. Means 9 upon 3. That is equals to 9 divided by 3. And what is our answer? 3 3s are 9. So 3 children. This is your answer. So what is the 1/3 collection of 9 children is 3 children. Okay. Now let's see fourth example. 18 books. So answer 1 upon 3 of 18. 1 upon 3 of 18. So in place of word, we have to use the sign of multiplication. So 1 upon 3 into 18, which means 18 upon 3, that is equals to 18 divided by 3. As we know the table of 3, 3 6s are 18. What is the 1/3 collection of 18 books? Is 6 books. Student, let's see question number 2 of the same problem set 23. What is the question? What is 1 upon 5 of each of the following? Here also few collections are given. First collection is of 20 rupees. We have to find out its 1/5 part. Children, do you remember I showed previously example of dots. It is same like that. So how to write 1 upon 5 of 20? As I already taught you, in place of word of, let us use sign of multiplication. 1 upon 5 into 20, which is equals to 20 upon 5. That means 20 divided by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So what answer we got? 4. So what is 1/5 of 20 rupees is 4 rupees. Alright. So this is our answer. Now let's see second example. 30 kilometer. We have to find out here also 1/5 of 30. Alright. So which is equals to 1 upon 5 into 30. Alright. So in place of word we have used multiplication sign, which is equals to 30 upon 5 or 30 divided by 5. This means 30 divided by 5. Don't get confused. To avoid confusion, I am showing this in both the steps. So 5 6s are 30. So your answer will be 6 kilometers. So what is 1/5 of 30 kilometer is 6 kilometer. Student, let's start to solve example number 3. Number is given 15 liters. So we have to find out 1/5 of 15 liters. This is equals to 1 upon 5. In place of word, we have to use sign of multiplication. 15. So this is equals to 15 upon 5, or which is equals to 15 divided by 5. Now, let us say the table of 5 till 50. 5 threes are 15. So, what is 1/5 of 15 liters is 3 liters. So, this is your answer. Alright. Now, let's see example number 4. In this, the sum is given 25 centimeter. Let's see answer. We have to find out 1/5 of 25 centimeter. So again, in place of this word, we have to use sign of multiplication. So 1/5 of 25 is 1 upon 5 into 25, which is equals to 25 upon 5, or 25 divided by 5. Both the ways I am showing, so you won't get confused. Let us say the table of 5 till 25. 5 5s are 25. It's very simple. 5 centimeter. So what is 1/5 of 25 centimeter is 5 centimeter. Now let us start solving question number 3. Students, let's see question number 3. Here in this question it is given that find the part of each of the following numbers equal to the given fraction. So first sum is given 2 upon 5 of 30. As I already taught in the question number 2, in place of word, we are going to use sign of multiplication. So let us write here 2 upon 3 into 30. Okay. Now it is again very simple thing, children. Let us 30 means what? 30 upon 1. So we need not write that denominator 1. So by cross multiplication we can do the cancellations. 3 ones are 3. Here also cancel this. 3 ones are 3. 3 zeros are 0. So what your answer will be 2 multiplied by 10. So your final answer will be 20. Is it clear? Now let's see example number 2. 7 upon 11 of 22. Let's see its answer. 7 upon 11 multiplied by 22. Again 22 means 22 upon 1. No need to write that upon 1. Here also we can do the cancellations. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. So this is equals to 7 into 2. 7 twos are 14. So our answer is 14. It means 7 upon 11 of 22 is 14. Let us solve sum number 3. 3 upon 8 of 64. Again here in place of word we are going to use the sign multiplication. So 3 upon 8 into 64. Again 64 means 64 upon 1. We can do these cancellations. 8 ones are 8. 8 8s are 64. Children, you must know the tables very well. So which is equals to 3 multiplied by 8. 3 8s are 24. This is your answer. So what is 3 upon 8 of 64 is 24. Now let's see last and fourth example of this lesson. Let's start solving 5 upon 13 of miss. Here multiply side 65. Yes, in the table of 13, number 65 is there. 13 ones are 30, 13 5s are 65. So, how you will write 5 into 5? 5 5s are 25. So, our answer is 25. It means 5 upon 13 of 65 is 25. Hope so you all must have understood this lesson very well. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.